Right turn regret. Nice cutoff.
The demon is revealed, but like, even if it was the dress fitter lady, if she was that deep into your dress, there's something wrong.
Yep, exit dive.
It'd still be pretty fucking creepy.
This is why you've always got to hold in a little warning.
Alright, we're in the middle of a big downpour, and it's nighttime out. You don't have your headlights on. What are you doing? It's like someone's gonna rear end the fuck out of you. Come on. What the fuck? What the fuck? And thank you for blinding me.
Deep or rip in the pants, House, he tackles him to the ground.
Yeah, it's homeless guy ripped pants.
Yes.
Nope.
It's pretty easy because David
And
Air White
double nope.
David Air White
Tell you
is
on third.
a rider that they can't lose a fight. So
Right.
Which way are you going? Figure it out. Lex sucks. Nice cut off. Nope. And also nope. Because, you know, fuck these people that are off on the side fixing the roads and shit. Or picking up, well, that guy was picking up trash, but yeah. We don't need them to be safe. No, we don't. Exit dive. Asshole.
It's bullshit poem that they were trying to force into the movie here and there.
You can move over, right? Of course you won't. Whoa, whoa, what the fuck? Really? That's pretty bad. Oh, really? Because Prius.
Wow.
pretty great. Yeah, so
nice cutoff.
Was your acting coach that you worked and watched Reservoir Dogs, even though they had had several meetings with their marriage counselor about him not watching R-rated movies without her anymore. And then she came down the next morning and was like, I wrote a... Okay, so here's the amazing thing about... For those of you who are aware of the twin brothers identical...
Exit dive!
The way that those movies have...
Someone's testimony for what they observed.
Or are you saying that the agreement itself is a shared perception?
Exit dive!
Well, we know from Einstein that if we both are looking at... We're both measuring the...
Red light, Ron.
Because it's not in my budget. Oh yeah. And every dollar is budgeted for. And if anything goes wrong, now it's on credit, or you're trying to borrow some money, or maybe you have to like take another job at Borders shelving books.
Nice cutoff. Nobody's stopping. Nobody stop. Oh, they kind of stopped.
Prince had actually written the words, I just want to extradite your kids.
Yep. Yep, people are coming. Lex sucks.
Just keep chasing pavements. It's not penguins. It's not, or should I just keep chasing
That's straight from left turn lane up there.
To be pavements. You about that one. 1986. Jovi released one of the biggest albums of that year and of the entire decade. The song Livin' on a Prayer is still played all over the radio and beloved and sung sometimes incorrectly.
Keep going! What the fuck?
The lyric in question that it doesn't make a difference if we make it.
Yeah, plenty of room to go.
Apparently, people have been singing "It Doesn't Make." 71 saw the song "The Cork on the Ocean."
Exit regret.
Minds aren't hearing the word cork.
As the bullpen relinquished the lead.
Really?
You see that a lot of Yankee fans probably thought there's no reason to pay attention to them, and if you think performance-wise they're going to give you a reason.
Yeah, nice cutoff, and I'm thinking you're exit diving. Of course you are.
I've been hearing that now. Well, you already just had one. And I don't know if he's with Robinson or without Robinson. He might have already kissed Robinson goodbye. I don't know that. That's a 50-50 proposition. But
that light's red. Why are you still going?
With pretty much the same group. That's what he wants to do.
That freaking Volvo over there.
He went out there. So as we head into July.
Red light run, red light run, red light run. No turn on red. You see, you should have waited like 2 more seconds for the light to turn green. Otherwise, you wouldn't have been in the video. Oh, well, sucks to be you because now you're in the video. It's official now. Oh, well. That was nice to dive up there. Nope. No trucks on Storrow Drive. No, you cannot be here. And it's real because we're in Boston and we're on Storrow Drive, which kind of qualifies as a parkway. And I don't think they let the ice cream man on the parkway here. Sorry, sucks to be you. It's like, why would you try to drive through here and try to sell ice cream and stuff to kids? Because there are no kids here. It's just people driving around like maniacs. But anyway, it sucks to be you. You get to be in the video. Oh, well. Wait, I don't exit here yet. Everyone's fucking up.
You done messed up, AA1!
Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you like it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Yay! All right, I'll see you next time. Okay, bye!